Welcome back to MR Films. My name is Mr. Tutorial, and today I will show you how to make a smooth 15 FPS Lego walk cycle. Alright. Watch this. Now, things you need. I suggest you use artificial light, not too bright though. A nice clean base plate. A good background. And of course, a minifigure. Steps. First off guys, you need to position your minifigure feet flat on the base plate facing the direction that you want, like this. Now, take the left leg and move it a little bit forward and take the right arm and swing it a little bit forward as well, then swing the left arm back. Then, position his legs in between the studs. I suggested that you use blue tack, or if you don't have it, try another sticky adhesive material. Because the minifigures like me, tend to fall over easily. Next, move his left leg all the way down to the base plate. As that happens, drop his right arm down. Finally, bring the right leg forward like a swing, and make his left arm swing forward, as well bringing the right arm behind him. This is probably what you're thinking right now.
The circle is now complete. When I left you, I was but the learner. Now I am the master.
So, that's basically it for the walk cycle. Just repeat the process over and over again until your designated endpoint. Walk cycle again in conclusion. Haha.
Oh no.
Well, my arm is broke, but I'm okay now. At least I got to teach you guys how to do a clean smooth 15 FPS walk cycle. Okay guys, even though I sound like a robot, I want to say thank you for watching the video and remember click on that subscribe button. Fin.